Okay, now I'm going to be showing you how to harvest emails or phone numbers online. Whether you're searching for emails or whether you're searching for phone numbers, you can do it online. You can do it in a variety of ways. I'm going to teach you a lot of different strategies on the next video. I just wanted to give you the basic introduction here. When I say search engine, I mean Google, MSN, or Yahoo. Okay? Here we have one here. This is ytb.com. So that's the name of an organization. It's a multi-level marketing travel program type thing. And I'm going to show you how to take this basic search term of YTB and get spectacular results with it. But I want to tell you about reverse marketing is that you have to be patient with yourself as you're doing this. You could do it for an hour and get 22 contacts. You could do it for an hour and get 220 contacts. You could do it for an hour and get 400 contacts. It's an art. It's not a science. It's an art. So I'm going to teach you the fundamentals of the art of harvesting contact information, be it phone numbers or emails, online. But first I want to show you what you're looking for. You're going to be looking for replicated websites. Okay, so what exactly do I mean by a replicated website? This is called How to Find a Replicated Website URL Address. What is a replicated website? Well, you have a replicated website. We all have replicated websites. Okay, so I'm going to give you some examples. This is the basic site, www.ibuzzpro.com. Another basic site is ipcprogram.com. Another basic site is thepeoplesprogram.com. Okay, so what we're going to do here is I'm going to show you that a replicated website, okay, I'll use iBuzzPro as an example. A replicated website has a username either in front of it, like this right here, or behind it. In the case of iBuzzPro, they have both. Some companies have one, it's either in the front or one in the back. Other ones like iBuzzPro has your choice. You have two of them. You have one where the username goes in the front and one where the username goes in the back. Okay? So, the way it looks is that if your username for your replicated website is in the front, it's going to be here. So let's pretend that the username is called Bada Bing, just for fun. Okay? This is just a demonstration here. It's just for fun. I don't think anybody really has a username called Bada Bing, but in case they do, that's where it would go. And whatever, if you're in iBuzzPro, whatever your username is, it goes right here. Now, it also has a username option in the back, and in which case it's www.ibuzzpro.com/ID equals, no, ID question mark, no, /question mark ID equals Bada Bing. Okay? So that's another replicated website example. Now let's use the IPC program. IPC has a replicated website, and the username goes in the back. See? Now theirs is called .com/main.php .ID equals Bada Bing. That's the way theirs is set up. Okay? And then the People's Program is another one I just used as an example. And the People's Program, theirs is a little bit different. And you're going to see as you're looking for replicated websites that there's a lot of different variety. I'm going to show you how to spot a replicated website, because that's how you can get hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of phone numbers or emails literally at the drop of a bucket. Now the People's Program is the name of the thing, as I showed you earlier. Their replicated website is mysite.thepeoplesprogram.com /Bada Bing /. You see that? Okay, so that's what you're looking for. And so let me give you an example of what this actually looks like online and how you can actually find replicated websites. One of the best ways to find replicated websites is to go to a classified ad site, and when people have a replicated website, In some cases, they mask the URL, and in some cases, they just forward the URL. I'll give you an example. Watch. I already checked this out, so I know this is what I'm looking for. This is the first one I looked at. This is the classified ad. The URL is called www.success-1-2-3.com. What you're going to find out is they only have this pointed at their replicated website, because when I click this, it's not going to say success123.com. It's going to be the replicated website for this person's organization that they're in. Okay, watch. See, it's a Trivita. I don't even know what Trivita is, but I know it's a nutritional MLM. Okay, so here's their replicated website. Okay, now if you look up here at the URL, you're going to see that it doesn't say success123. It says trivita.com, trivita.net /default.aspx $TREF equals 11563820. This is their replicated website address. Okay? This is their replicated website address. So that's an example there. And here's another one. This is the second one. You can see, this is like, these were posted 35 seconds apart. And it's like the first one here, and it's the second one as I look at this. There's tons of these things in here. You click it. Okay? It's called the internet successmachine.com /orangemoon.com. Okay, watch. I'm going to click it. Alright, so what I was actually clicking there is the replicated website address. So the name of this organization is the internet successmachine.com. Okay, and the username is Orange Moon. So this is a great replicated site right here, the internet successmachine.com. So I'm going to show you a strategy where you can search online for the internetsuccessmachine.com and get many different usernames so that you can collect the phone numbers and or email addresses from the site to use to contact people.